Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right. Okay, God bless you in Jesus' name. Welcome back to this channel. Yeah, so don't forget we have over 500 piano tutorials on this channel. 500 videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So because of that, you should please give us a like first on this video. Give us a like, click the subscribe button and comment something like well done. You know, yeah, I think it makes sense, right? Okay, so God bless you. So I want to teach you this great walk down that you can use for your gospel music. Oh, right. We have there's this Yoruba song in Africa that goes ha he mi adupe hore re o. It's a simple progression. 1 6. If I do 2 or 5. Right. 1 Malaysia 6 or. So imagine doing something like this from the 1 you want to go to 6. Just slam something like this. Ha ha. I mean, no devil can stand you when you play the piano like that. Yes, that's right. Come on, click the subscribe button. God bless you. So let me quickly show you this. So this chord I played is F dominant 7 chord with a sharp 9. Yeah. So on left you have a 1, we have a flattened 7th. On right you have a 3, we have a we have a 3, we have a flattened 7th, and we have a sharp 9. And just take that down to your 6. Right. So in the case of F now, we have a F and E flat on the left. On the right we have a E, we have a B flat, and we have a G sharp. Right? So we're taking that down. So just take that down. It's very simple. You get E and D on your left. On right you have a flat, D and G. One more time. We are not done. Dominant. So we have a E flat dominant on the left. 1 and 7. On right you have a G, D flat and F sharp. Right? Then the bus stop, we have a D, that's a D dominant chord. We have a D and C on the left. On right you have a G flat, C and F. So a song once you want to go from you want to go 1 2 1 2 like that kind of count from 1 to 6. 1 2 1 2 and it goes 2 1 2 1 2. So instead of just doing so you want to do that instead of doing all these ones that I just did now, just slam this ha. You sound like a mature pianist. They are looking at you like, oh, that guy is something else on the piano. I mean, oh. Wow. You can do that on 4 3 to 2 also. I'll give you that as an assignment, but if you don't get it, then if you know you're not going to get it, then tell me that, sir, please just help us shoot a video on that, and I'll do that. Please subscribe button. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.